Welcome back to Infigyan friends. Today in this video we are going to take up one very interesting and challenging question from radical equations. Equation is x is equal to 5 times cube root of 4 plus 5 times cube root of x plus 4. I will showcase two different approaches to solve this problem. So let me begin with approach number 1. Approach 1 would be I will consider cubing and then use substitution. So let us consider cubing both sides. I will be writing x cube is equal to 5 cube, so 125, and then cube, so is cube root and cube will be over, so I will be writing 4 plus 5 cube root of x plus 4. Now this 5 I will write cube root of 125. Let us write. So I will be writing x cube is equal to 125 in bracket 4 plus cube root of 125 cube root of x plus 4 this way. Now exponent is same, 1 by 3 1 by 3, cube root it is, so I can write this one as 125 times x, so 125x, 125 times 4, so 500, and this is cube root. Now rest is as it is. X cube is equal to 125. Now I will use substitution. So this radicand which is inside this cube root, I will consider y cube. Why y cube? Because cube root and cube will be over. So which equation I will be getting? X cube is equal to 125 in bracket 4 plus y, or x cube equal to 125y plus 500. Let me call this is my equation number 1. Now I will use our substitution equation. So this equation if I will write, so it is y cube is equal to 125x plus 500. Now you can see, let us call this is equation number 2. Let me call this is my equation number 2. Now you can check equation 1 and equation 2. It is symmetrical equations. So let us write separately. I will write x cube is equal to 125y plus 500. Equation 1. Equation 2. Y cube is equal to 125x plus 500. Now I will take away second from first, change of sign, minus minus minus. So left hand side it will be x cube minus y cube. Right hand side I will take 125 common out, y minus x. This term will be over. Take all the term to LHS, x cube minus y cube, then minus, if you are writing then better is to write x minus y times 125 equal to 0. Let us expand using algebraic identity a cube minus b cube. So a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab plus 125 times x minus y equal to 0. Now I will take x minus y overall common. So x minus y in one bracket and x square plus y square plus xy plus 125 equal to 0. F dot g equal to 0. So either f equal to 0 or g equal to 0. That means second bracket x square plus y square plus xy equal to 0, or better is to write minus 125. Now I will multiply both sides with 4. So let us multiply 4x square plus 4y square plus 4xy equal to minus 500. So if I will split 4y square in terms of like this, 4x square plus y square plus 4xy, and then I will write 3y square separately equal to minus 500. Now from first three term you can see it is one perfect square, 2x plus y whole square. 2x whole square, 4x square, y whole square, y square, 2ab, 2 times 2x times y, 4xy, plus 3y square equal to negative 500. Now I will conclude something from here. It is sum of two squares. It is always positive. It is always positive. So for real solutions, sum cannot be negative. This cannot be negative. So rejected as complex solutions are there. So we will write here rejected. What is accepted? It is x minus y equal to 0. So let us frame one final equation with x equal to y condition. So I will write x equal to y, and our equation was x cube equal to 125y plus 500. Now let's substitute, or let's put this value x is equal to y. So what I will be getting, x cube equal to 125x plus 500. Take all the term to one side. X cube minus 125x minus 500 equal to 0. Now I won't use the rational root theorem and the other method, synthetic division. I will use factorization. How it is? I will write x cube and I will split this minus 125 in terms of minus 25x minus 100x minus 500 equal to 0. From first two term, x is common. So we will write x square minus 25. From last two terms, you can see minus 100 is common. You will write x plus 5 equal to 0. Now difference of two squares clearly visible. I will write x square minus 5 square. So I will be writing x plus 5, a plus b, a minus b, x minus 5 minus 100 times x plus 5 equal to 0. Take x plus 5 common out. So it will be left with, in this bracket, x times x minus 5. So x square minus 5x. And from last term, I will be having minus 100 equal to 0. So now solution time. From first bracket, we will be having x is equal to minus 5. The first real solution. And let's find out solution from this quadratic equation. Minus b, 5 plus minus under the root, b square, so 25 minus 4ac, so plus 400 divided by 2. Next step, I will write 5 plus minus square root 425. So it is 25 times 17. So let me write 5 root 17 directly divided by 2. So ultimately both solutions are real here also. So I will write x is equal to 5 plus minus 5 root 17 divided by 2. So we have got three solutions, all are real valued. Now approach number 2. Let me write here approach number 2. How I will write our equation? See, it is 5 times cube root 4 plus 5 times cube root 4 plus x equal to x. Now if you will see what is written, 5 times 4 plus 5 times, so we can write here again using recursive formula, it is again x, because once you are putting the value of x, again it will be in the same order. So we can replace this 5 times cube root 4 plus x term by x. So what we will be having after that? 5 times cube root 4 plus x equal to x. Now I will take cube both sides. So I will be writing 5 cube which is 125. This term cube root and cube will be over, equal to x cube. Let me write here after cubing both sides. Now I will write x cube equal to 125 times 4, 500, and 125 times x. So I will write 125x. And you can check this is similar equation as the method 1 we have solved. Now our equation will become x cube minus 125x minus 500 equal to 0. In method 1, approach 1, we used the factorization method. Here we can use synthetic division method also. See, rational root theorem, you can find out the eligible factors of constant coefficient 500. So we can simply write minus 5. It is satisfying the equation. Minus 5 cube is minus 125. Minus 5 times minus 125. So we will write plus 625 and minus 500. So this is true. Plus 625 minus 625. So it is 0. That means x is equal to minus 5 is our base solution. Now we can write the coefficient of cubic equation for synthetic division method. So 1, 0, minus 125 and minus 500. Let us put one line over there. Leading coefficient as it is 1. Minus 5 times 1 minus 5. So minus 5. Minus 5 times minus 5 plus 25. So minus 100. Minus 5 times minus 100. 500. So 0. Again we are having same quadratic equation, x square minus 5x minus 100 equal to 0. So we will get same result. X is equal to 5 plus minus 5 root 17 divided by 2. So one solution is our base solution, which is this minus 5, and the two remaining solutions are x is equal to 5 plus minus 5 root 17 over 2. Let's verify first root. So I will consider x is equal to minus 5. Let us verify. So I will write RHS. 5 times cube root of 4 plus 5 times cube root of minus 5 plus 4. So minus 1. Now 5 times cube root of 4 plus cube root of minus 1 is minus 1. So I will write minus 5. 5 times cube root of 4 minus 5, minus 1 again. Cube root of minus 1 is minus 1. 5 times minus 1, so minus 5. And if I will put in the LHS, it is minus 5. So RHS is equal to LHS. That means this value is true. I hope this video will be somewhere meaningful to you. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye till next video. Good luck and take care of yourself.